Hello YouTube, this is your host Chris from Tugalin Outdoors, and today I'll be doing a review over Abu Garcia's Catfish Commando Baitcaster series. So hopefully y'all do stick around and enjoy the video. Alright everybody, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to run over what kind of line and stuff I have on it, anything accessory wise that I'm rocking on the pole. So first and foremost, what kind of line I'm using. The line I am using is the Stren fluorescent catfish line. It's at 30 pounds. Leader line is just Cabela's 50-pound test fluorocarbon. I know a lot of people like to use braid on their catfish poles. I've never really been a big braid fan unless I'm bass fishing. That's just personal opinion. My hook preference are either Gamakatsu circle hooks or Team Catfish circle hooks. Those are the only two circle hooks I'll use personally. Weights, I do plan on making my own weights, but until then, it's anything that I can find. No specific brand. Now, as y'all can see, the Carolina rig I'm rocking today has the, I believe it's a Team Catfish swivel slide on it. Essentially what it is it's just a clip swivel, but instead of having the barrel swivel at the end, it has a plastic slide that won't tear up your line. That's the only reason I'm using this, because I don't have any no-roll sinkers right now. But that's really all that I use on it. Also, I have the Cabela's glow-in-the-dark handle gripper things. That's the best way I can describe them. Other than that, that's really all I have on it. Now I'm going to go into some details about the pole. Alright everybody, so as you can tell right now we have two camera angles, one being the Canon and one being my GoPro. What I'm just going to go ahead and do is go over the pole, or the combo I should say. Now the pole and the reel both have the same matching camo, which is the dark digital camo. The reel itself is a 6500cc. It has a 5.1 gear ratio. It does have two steel ball bearings in the reel itself. Right now, the pole has 5 ounces of weight on it, and you can see how much it's been retarded. Now, the one thing that I've been reading and seeing a lot on YouTube about this pole and reel combo was the fact that apparently it does not flicker. Now, I don't know about y'all, if that happens to me, but to me, it doesn't flicker. It's quite obvious. If y'all look on the left side, when you slide this down, that's our clip. It's on right now. It's like it's off. It's definitely a clicker now. That's why I was telling y'all it's not that loud. It's not the most loud clicker I have ever heard. Now it's nothing like my 7000, which clicker is a very distinct clicker. This one's not. But a lot of people have been telling me that the pole is pretty junk, because I know apparently flexible the pole is. I need to help the backbone of the pole. The pole itself, though, is actually very sturdy. I've had a 5-pound blue cat on here that y'all see in the video clip I'm going to put here. And I've also had a 35-pound catfish that was, unfortunately, was not on camera, but it held its own the exact same way it did with the 7-pound blue cat. Now, the 35-pound, I think it was a channel cat, or not channel, flathead, had a lot more force to it. Obviously had a lot more weight to it. But they both acted the same. The eyes on this are steel eyes, so you don't really have to worry too much about the eyes being messed up at all. I actually had one of them bent, just bent back, no issue at all. That's why I don't understand when people say that this pole is a pretty crappy pole. At $100, which is on their website, $100. I got mine at Cabela's for $79.99 when it was on clearance. You're getting a good combo. This was actually my first combo that I purchased. Before then, I never had a catfish pole. I just always borrowed my brother's. So really, if you're not sure about getting into catfishing, this is a very good starter pole, because that reel alone I bought on eBay for more than the pay for this whole combo, and it's just a very entry level. Now, would I recommend it to a veteran? I mean, I'm pretty sure a veteran wouldn't have any issues using it for a pay leg pole, but honestly, as a veteran catfisherman, they already know that they probably already have all their poles out. Probably don't want to have to go and buy another combo. Now, I would feel confident if this pole did break at some point. I would feel confident with the reel alone. Put it on a different pole, a more sturdier pole, like this pole here, and it would hold its own. If I could rate it out of 5 stars, I would rate this pole at a 4.6, and I say a 4.6 very religiously because not only on Garcia's website they have it as a 4.6, not only on Cabela's website do they have this pole at a 4.6. Personally, it's not a 5 pole for me, not a 5-star pole for me, just because I wish it was maybe another half foot longer, another foot longer, and it was a little bit thicker wrap from the bottom to the top. But other than that, I mean, honestly, if you're looking for a very good entry-level pole, I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to put a link down below to both Garcia's website and Cabela's website if you are wanting to get this pole. This is no way, shape, or form a sponsored video by Garcia. It's not at all, or any other companies that I listed, like Team Catfish, Gamogatsu. I'm not sponsored by any of them. This is just personally what I like to use. Horse strand. This is just personally what I like to use. So hopefully y'all did. So hopefully this video did help y'all if y'all were on the fence about getting this pole. One thing I would recommend if you did get this pole would to try to stick around 30 to 45 pound test on the reel itself. You can get a good amount on there. I think I've got 250, I want to say, 250 yards of 30 pound, 40 pound test on it. So you shouldn't have any issues with that. Now, if you did use braid, you'd get a lot more. But personally, like I said, I'm not a big braid fan unless I'm bass fishing. So, yeah, that's really all for the pole itself. Yeah, that's really it. Paying off now. For that being that we're at 100 subscribers, y'all have a chance to be entered in the giveaway. Now, a rough giveaway rule is going to be that you have to follow all of our social medias. You have to be on our Instagram or Facebook and be a subscriber. we haven't figured out exactly what we're going to do for the giveaway. I'm thinking that we're going to try to offer 5 different options, being bass fishing, catfishing, deer hunting, turkey hunting, or duck hunting. We want to do this because we don't want to limit one person or one person's. Like, if you only really like turkey hunting, why would we want to send you some catfishing stuff? You understand what I'm saying? You won't get all the options. You will only be able to choose one, and from that one we will send you a limited edition sticker that's going to be cut out and vinyled from me personally. So you will be the only person in that world besides future giveaway holders with that sticker, and obviously the people that work for Tugaluna, we all have that sticker as well. That's really it for the giveaway. We do offer merch now. I think our next episode or next season of shirts will be coming out here shortly. I'm still designing them currently, so hopefully y'all will be interested in those and want to purchase them. All the proceeds that we do get will go right back into the channel, meaning buying new, better equipment, paying for giveaways, paying for videos, reviews, paying for really anything for the channel itself. Believe that is all. All of our social media will be in the link description and also on the screen right about now. And I think that's really about it. Once again, from everyone at Tugaluna Outdoors, we thank you for subscribing. It really does mean a lot to us. And hopefully y'all did enjoy this video as well. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it and comment whether you want to see us go turkey hunting, because I'm on the fence about turkey hunting. I would love to go, but at the same time I don't really know if I want to go. If you want to see it, let us know in the comments like I just said. And I think that's it for this video, so I will see you on the next one. Dang, that's good right there.